Hey guys, it's Tony here from SuperFly Autos out in England, and we're super excited today to launch our volume 3 of our Global Car Culture Lifestyle A5 print magazine. And we have obviously dual covers in each issue. And on the first side we have Type 2 Detective's art car, which is wild as hell. And on the back we have this insane Honda Street dragster with Hayabusa engine all the way from Japan. Plus another obviously 11 cars in total. Each issue is packed just full of features, which is what we wanted. It's transportable, it's something easy to carry. Obviously it's nice glossy cover, glossy internal pages as well. And we're also super excited to let you know we've also got merchandise now available, from hoodies, t-shirts, mugs and stickers, all available at the link in our bio, or visit our website superflyautos.com/magazine, and we look forward to hearing your feedback. Let us know what you guys think. You know, this is a new venture for us. We'd love to find out if you think we could improve it, what else we could do. And also if you have a feature that you would like to have in the magazine of your project build, let us know. Send us an email or reach us out on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, etc. And we look forward to seeing you guys next time we release the next issue.